Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned me to 60. How much you got on you? It touched me to 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So yesterday we're gonna go hang out with my boy John Forbes. He took care of the headers for the LS or this car, the Box Chevy Caprice. So pretty much gonna give y'all a video for that. That's pretty much gonna be it. Give y'all a little on what he does and everything. He's gonna be the one doing the exhaust for this car, so trying to get everything set up right now. This harness out, the OEM harness to put the new LS harness in. It's forward soon. Look at that headliner. I don't know, show the Chevys in their headliner and stuff. Oh, what? Dang. There we go. But anyway, let's kick that video.